Hello, everyone. Welcome to NewTube day number 26. NewTube day number 26. It is 1:24 p.m. on the 25th of September. Recapping yesterday, I completed the Remote Wellness Academy 2-10 module. It was a pretty big module, had a lot of exercises in it. I did my 45 minutes of exercise in the morning and yesterday was the first day of my two-day, it was a 2-minute run. So I did 45 minutes of walking, and inside that 45 minutes, actually did 43 minutes if you want to get technical, and then I did 2 minutes of a light jog. And that's hard for me because I have issues with my feet, knees, and lower back. So I'm really making an effort to go out and do a lot more. So I also did 10 lowball offers on eBay. That's something I'm making as a part of my daily routine, is to make lowball offers on eBay. In the afternoon, I purchased more books. I got on the Jeffrey Combs coaching call. I coach with Jeffrey Combs once per week, and I've found that to be extremely very helpful. Jeffrey Combs is the coach of coaches. I mean, it's the gold standard for coaching. So not only is he a 7-figure income earner, he has helped other people create 7-figure incomes as well. And I will put in the comments section Jeffrey Combs's Facebook page. If you go to his page, he has free content. He has a call every evening, and he's been doing it forever. So he's consistently consistent. So he has free content. If you're interested in hiring him a coach, and you have real interest in hiring him as a coach, then he offers a free 20-minute coaching call. So I highly endorse Jeffrey Combs as a coach, and he's helped me a great deal. I mean, I would be worse off than I am now if I did not have that coaching. So I got some very unique insight. And not only that, but Jeffrey Combs, when you coach with him, he has a huge contact list. He knows everybody. I mean, whether you're a network marketing professional or a real estate professional, or you're into Forex or financials, or a business owner, or an author, or a coach yourself, Jeffrey Combs knows just about everybody. Reiki masters, Jeffrey Combs knows everybody, right? And people, he's been doing it for a long time, so everybody really, appreciates the level of he just knows everybody. I mean, he knows everybody that you'd want to be in contact with. Jeffrey Combs can be a very good resource if you hire him as your coach. So, and he'll help you get to the next level. The one thing I would say is that he doesn't sugarcoat anything. He's not going to just be one of those coaches who's going to he's going to tell you exactly what's on what he thinks. He's not going to sugarcoat it at all. So I have my coaching session with Jeffrey every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern. So I look forward to that call, and I have been on that. I've been coaching with him since 2017, and he's got a Millionaire Blueprint in Stockton, California, in December, and I will be attending that Millionaire Blueprint event. Excuse me. So in addition, in the afternoon, yesterday I went to the gym. That was the first day I went to the gym. Now this is crazy. I understand. I had a warehouse in Zephyrhills, and they had like a little promotion. They had like a little trailer. They were opening up a new Planet Fitness in Zephyrhills, and I signed up and I bought a gym membership for Planet Fitness. Well, this is the craziest thing. I mean, it's $20 a month, but I've had this thing for like a year and a half, and I never used it, not once. I didn't use it. Not one single time did I go to the gym, because I do have a treadmill. We have a nice NordicTrack. It's like, a commercial grade treadmill in my office where I'm making this recording. But I have a gym membership, and I don't use the gym membership. So as part of the remote wellness course, as part of the breaking the habits of being myself and creating the next version of myself, I want to take my physical fitness to the next level. If I'm going to become a coach and I'm going to coach other people, then I've got to be able to set the example. I've got to be able to say, hey, I'm going to the gym every day. So that's what I'm doing. I am going to the gym and I'm suiting up every day. Now, what I do there, I'm not going to obligate myself. The obligation is to get up off my ass and get in the car and go to the gym and put my gym clothes on. And whatever happens, if I stay 1 minute, I stay 1 minute. If I can get a massage, because they have those massage chairs, and they have those, they have the aqua massage, and then now they also have a wellness pod. So no matter what I do, I'm going to go to the gym every single day. Maybe I just go for the massage. Maybe I do some additional walking, but that's in addition to what I'm doing already at home. So that's the key distinction, is that it's in addition, but I'm using that membership. I'm paying for it. And that was the very first day, me going there, looking around. I don't know where everything is at. So now I'm oriented. After I get done with this video, I'm going to go for my second day, because this is the next day. I'm talking about my recap of yesterday. So then I also went to the supermarket yesterday. And then, after exercising, because at the gym, I happened to do, I did all three things. I got the hydro massage, I had the massage chair, and I did the wellness pod. Now, that's 10 minutes on the chair, 10 minutes on the hydro pod, and 15 minutes on the wellness pod, and then I did 15 minutes of walking. In addition, and I just listened to some music, walk, at a brisk pace, not too much. What I plan to do is they have free. Planet Fitness offers free personal training. I don't think it's like what you would think as a normal personal training, but it's like if you wanted someone to show you how to use things for the first time, you can set an appointment. I'm going to set an appointment today to have a gym orientation, because I want to do the 30-minute workout. They have a 30-minute. I want to eventually do that. I'm not going to make that commitment. The commitment first was just to get into the gym and be in that position where I've undressed and put on my gym clothes and walk through the door. That's the key thing. It's just like the treadmill. It's like no matter how I'm feeling, if I'm not feeling good at all, I'm going to suit up and I'm going to do 1 minute on the treadmill. No matter what, come hell or high water, 1 minute on the treadmill. And now I've expanded that to I'm going inside the gym every single day, no matter what. No matter what I do, I'm going into that gym. So yesterday, after, and then now I added an additional minute of running, jogging on the treadmill. And I did the extra work in the supermarket. I was tired yesterday, so, body's asking for more sleep, so I went to bed early. And I did finish Remote Wellness Academy Module 2-10. So that was my day for the 24th of September. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.